the ashram which is Acharya Sri Rakum has pioneered this ashram. Prior to this, the ashram concept has come out from the Kyokushin Karate concept, and what is happening here is basically what used to happen earlier 10-15 years back before the ashram came up, is where we had these Kyokushin Karate tournaments where we have participants from all over India who come in together and participate in a tournament, and they have different categories, knockdown, katas and these kind of things. What we are doing at the ashram is we are providing free accommodation to these, because we have got a special request from the organizers that they wanted to use the ashram premises. So we are giving them free of cost the premises, the boarding, lodging, food, everything, transport from the venue to the venue. So the whole concept of hosting the whole tournament, we are doing it from the ashram itself. The ashram premises is being used even for the boarding and lodging. We have ordered beds, we have ordered shamiana, all the participants there, all their daily needs, plus the food, plus we are also hosting their welcome party and sayonara party, which is basically the welcome party and the farewell party. La 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 la. We have participants from all over India over here. We understand there are going to be at least 220 participants in various categories, in various age levels, in men, women, boys, girls, starting from the age of 10 to the age of maybe 40. We're looking at around at least 12 teams here from all over India, all the way from Chhattisgarh to Kerala, to even Karnataka team. We have a team from Andhra, they have a team from West Bengal. So it's pretty much spread all over north, south, east and west of India. It is a 4-day, I would say more of a tournament come retreat, because this is far away from the city, far away from city life. Other than just having the karate practice, they have an opportunity to see how karate can contribute to the society, and that's the living example which we have in the ashram, wherein the power of karate has been used and developed to help the society. So in fact we are having guided tours for each of these participants, each of these teams, wherein we are taking them around, we are showing them the whole project, the Gaushala, we have the ashram, the primary school, the Seva Day concept, we have the Sosai Masoyama temple here. Sosai Masoyama is the grand master of Kyokushin Karate. What I noticed during these guided tours is that they're able to understand how they can use karate more fruitfully once they reach the black belt and go a little further than that. We are very hopeful that they can use this opportunity to take back something from our project and ensure that in their own states they are able to help society in their own small way.